the Congress's big political surprise trigger showdown. Was it a surprise? Was it something which was anticipated? That Priyanka Gandhi would be replacing Rahul Gandhi in Wayanad. Rahul Gandhi himself declared that Priyanka Gandhi would contest the Wayanad by-polls. However, he didn't say anything about who will be the LOP in Lok Sabha. Rahul said that he has an emotional connect to Wayanad and that while his sister would fight from the constituency, he would continue to visit the place. The decision drew sharp criticism from the BJP. Rajiv Chandrasekhar mocked Priyanka's candidacy, saying that she would be supported by the IUML. Rajiv Chandrasekhar also accused Rahul Gandhi of betraying the people of Wayanad. Congress, meanwhile, launched a counter-attack at the Saffron camp, blaming the BJP of giving a push to corporate dynasts. Meanwhile, the CPI leader, Annie Raja, who fought against Rahul Gandhi, isn't sure whether she'll be taking on Priyanka Gandhi this time.
The decision that Priyanka ji will contest from Wayanad is a very happy news. Thangal as well, the party has wholeheartedly welcomed it. In fact, even earlier we had requested for this. Thangal has, after our party meeting, publicly announced that when press people asked that if it is Priyanka, we would be very happy. So there is no doubt that Priyanka ji will win with a big majority from Wayanad.
It is the party's decision, and also as a elected member, it's Rahul's decision also. So I respect that. It is their party's prerogative and Rahul's prerogative. But before the Wayanad election, he did not inform this to the Wayanad voters. For a political morality or to give justice to the people, he could have informed the voters.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि प्रियंका वायनाड से चुनाव लड़ेंगे, मेहनत करेंगी वो वहाँ भी, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वहाँ की जनता उनको भारी बहुमत से जिताए। जब भी मेरे से पूछा गया कि आप सक्रिय राजनीति में कब भाग लेंगे, तो मैंने हमेशा बोला कि प्रियंका के संसद में भाग लेने पर, उनको सांसद के रूप पर देखने पर, उसके बाद मैं शामिल हो सकता हूं।
Palakkad people are also thinking that whether Robert Vadra will contest in Palakkad by-election also. Wayanad, my family means his family. He brought his sister. Now people are asking, Vadra also will come there. So Congress party is always with one family, decision-making family. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, Vadra Gandhi, next Priyanka's daughter. So this is happening in Congress. Dynasty politics, the most dangerous dynasty politics.
So Rahul Gandhi did not get elected in Wayanad because of his charisma or his personality or his life's non-achievements. He got elected in Wayanad. We all know that, let us be honest, that he got elected simply because of the fact that he was a IUML-backed candidate. And today they say Priyanka Gandhi will be an IUML-backed candidate, and therefore Priyanka Gandhi will also get elected. I have no doubt about that. But let us be clear, there can be no amount of spin that takes away from the fact that Rahul Gandhi deceived the people of Wayanad willfully and has betrayed the people of Wayanad by now giving up that seat and moving to Raebareli.
No, it's a betrayal of the people of Wayanad. And perhaps Congress feels that the people of Kerala can be taken for granted. It's in fact an insult to the entire Kerala community. Rahul Gandhi, when he decided that he should contest 2 seats, he should have announced in advance that this is my first priority and this is my second priority. People would have taken such a decision.
देखिए, प्रियंका गांधी कांग्रेस के अंदर सबसे ज्यादा लोकप्रिय चेहरा है। उन्हें तो कांग्रेस का अध्यक्ष बनाना चाहिए था, उन्हें कांग्रेस की कमान सौंपनी चाहिए। प्रियंका गांधी जी को वायनाड से लड़वा करके एक बात प्रूव कर दी है, सिद्ध कर दी है कि कांग्रेस को हिंदुओं पर भरोसा नहीं है। अगर हिंदुओं पे भरोसा होता तो उन्हें कहीं और से चुनाव लड़वाया जाता।
राहुल गांधी के प्रति कृतज्ञता अर्पित करता हूं, धन्यवाद देता हूं। कि उन्होंने बिल्कुल सही निर्णय लिया कि रायबरेली की सीट से वो बने रहेंगे और वायनाड की सीट से प्रियंका गांधी जी चुनाव लड़ेंगी। इस तरह दोनों सीट पर गांधी परिवार का प्रतिनिधित्व बना रहा है और जैसी इच्छा थी सोनिया जी की कि मैं आपको बेटा सौंप रही हूं, आप इसे निर्वाचित करें, वो उन्होंने उनके वचन भी निभाए।
अगर इमोशनल कनेक्शन था तो वायनाड में रहते ना, जिस वायनाड ने आपको बचाया, जब आप अमेठी से हार गए तब वायनाड ने आपको जिताया, तो आप वहां रहते और रायबरेली आप प्रियंका वाड्रा को दे देते, अगर ऐसे ही मन में आपके लिए अपनी बहन के प्रति प्यार था तो।
I want to connect to Piyush Mishra, who's been tracking all the details and the ramifications of this decision, especially where the Bharatiya Janata Party comes into question. Piyush, interesting because the BJP is now going to try and project Priyanka Gandhi backed by IUML, which is the Muslim population, where the seat of Wayanad comes into question.
Well, certainly, Preeti, we are now seeing as to how the politics is taking place in this entire matter, where the BJP has come out and hit out at the Congress party for making this decision of fielding Priyanka Gandhi from Wayanad and Rahul Gandhi deciding to retain Raebareli seat. BJP is now saying that Priyanka Gandhi will not be a Congress candidate. In fact, she will be a candidate which would be backed by IUML. So, ultimately, she is an IUML candidate who is going to contest from Wayanad. This is what the BJP is now claiming. Though the Congress party is very much confident of winning the seat, and the Congress is trying to send out a message that it has the representatives, the top leaders will be representing not only from North India but also from South India. Rahul Gandhi yesterday had said that both the constituencies will now have 2 MPs. Rahul Gandhi will not be spending time in Raebareli but will also be working for the people of Wayanad, and similarly Priyanka Gandhi will not only be there in Wayanad but will be focusing on Raebareli, and that's the message which Congress party is trying to send out to the people of both the constituencies. That's the defense coming in from the Congress, but the BJP is now asking questions from Rahul Gandhi. In fact, they are asking that what kind of work Rahul Gandhi has done in the last 5 years. They are also saying that he should have told to the people of Wayanad that he would be contesting from Raebareli before making this decision of contesting from Wayanad. So that's the attack which is being escalated by the Bharatiya Janata Party, though the Congress is coming out and saying that Priyanka Gandhi will have a great edge here and she is going to secure a mandate with a huge margin.
All right, Piyush, appreciate you joining us. With that, meanwhile, like we pointed out, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who won from both Raebareli and Wayanad, has decided to retain Raebareli, and now it will be Priyanka Gandhi who will fight by polls from Wayanad.
जब तक आप प्रत्याशी नहीं बनेंगी,
मैंने बहुत कुछ
आपको सीरियस पॉलिटिशियन नहीं माना।
कोई बात नहीं, जनता माने न माने, जब समय आएगा मैं करूंगी। जनता के साथ मेरा एक रिश्ता है, बना रहेगा।
The time has finally come. No longer a star campaigner, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be entering the poll battlefield. She will be contesting from Wayanad, the Kerala seat vacated by her brother Rahul.
बहुत खुश हूँ मैं. I'm very happy to be able to represent Wayanad, and all I'll say is that I won't let them feel his absence. As he said, he'll come many times with me, but I will work as hard and I will try my best to make everybody happy and to be a good representative.
This decision marks Priyanka's entry into active electoral politics, a development that many have speculated and hoped for over the years. The announcement came after Congress's top leadership held discussions at Kharge's residence.
बड़े सोच समझ के हमने ये तय किया कि वायनाड से खाली सीट पे प्रियंका जी लड़ना चाहिए.
Rahul Gandhi, meanwhile, has chosen to retain Raebareli, a seat that has been the Gandhi family's stronghold for decades, previously held by his mother, Sonia Gandhi.
भैया की मैं मदद रायबरेली में भी करूंगी, और जैसे इन्होंने कहा हम दोनों रायबरेली में भी हम दोनों मौजूद होंगे और वायनाड में भी.
दोनों को दो सांसद मिल रहे हैं. सिंपल सी बात है.
Priyanka's decision to contest from Wayanad signals a strategic shift for the Congress party. Her brother though admitted that he had to be pushed into giving up his Kerala constituency.
आज के दिन का ये निर्णय है, अगर ये मानने के बाद ही आगे का आएगा वो भी मैं बता दूंगा।
बट धमकी तो दी है कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट ने धमकी तो दी है।
Gandhi siblings' new electoral strategy is being closely watched as it could reshape the Congress's fortunes in the future. Bureau Report, India Today.